when it comes to a synthetic wig, I'm slay it every motherfucking time.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install. Now this beautiful unit you see here today was sent to us by Divatress, but before we jump into that video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. But let's just jump right into it because your girl is a bit excited, okay? Now like I mentioned, this unit is from Divatress, this is from Bobbi Boss, and this is their unit Marlene. I have her in the color number 2. She is an HD 13x4 hand-tied unit, freestyling, so your girl got a bit of versatility, you know what I'm saying? And she is also considered glueless with baby hairs. Now I did go ahead and tint and pluck this unit off camera. I sometimes pluck my synthetic units, or not sometimes, for majority of the times I really do go in and pluck my units. I just feel like I want to try and customize it to my hairline. If you guys would like to see a video on how I do that, just let your girl know. But you see what I mean? Plucked, giving hairline. I like that. So I did go ahead and do that. But right now I'm just, you know, placing the unit, making sure that she is where I want her to be. And now I'm going in with my scissors, and please don't be like me. I usually use an eyebrow razor to cut my excess lace, and for whatever reason, I grabbed these scissors, and worst mistake, because they were so dull. I'm used to having an eyebrow razor that just gives me like, what's the word? My lace is just clean. Yeah, it's like more clean cut. These scissors were dull, so it made my lace a bit more jagged, and I really didn't like that. But nonetheless, we did go ahead and melt that into our skin, so it's okay, but please don't be like me. Now just adjusting the unit back onto my head, I just want to make sure she is exactly where I want her to be. And now we're going to do something that I have never done before. I don't know about you guys, but Ebin has lace glue, right? If you have been watching my videos, my wig videos specifically since the beginning, I have only used Got2b spray, wig spray, and I believe Ghost Bond glue. I've never tried the Ebin lace glue, so this was my first time. And I'm not gonna lie, first reaction, I was like, why the hell is this glue turning blue? See, that shit was almost a tongue twister, but it was turning blue when I was spreading it around, and I'm like, what the hell is this? Why is it drying like that? I didn't have time to let that really sit and dry, but I will tell you this, it did melt into the lace. I did not have any residue, so I know you guys can see the glue a little bit over there, but girl, when that bad boy dried clear, you didn't see any of that. Now by my ear tab, it wasn't really sticking, so I had to go in with more glue and, you know, just spread that around. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but girl, why is this glue blue? Like, I don't get it. But nonetheless, perfection. She melted the hell out of my lace. Let me just say, I am on day, what is this? Day 5 of wearing this unit, and your girl is still secured. Usually with my wig spray, I can get about maybe 2 to 3 days solid. But it's times like this that reminds me of, you know, why wig glue is so important, because she's not going anywhere. And let me just say this, I only used 1 layer and your girl was stuck. I know you guys see me now using my Got2b spray, and that's just to help melt the lace just that much more, tying it with my scarf. And I did let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before taking her off, and that is what she's looking like. A bit ashy if you ask me, but nonetheless, your girl was melted and I was okay with that. So now I'm just parting out these baby hairs. For whatever reason, my camera stopped recording when I was doing my baby hairs. But the good part is, if you guys have been watching me for a while, the way I do my baby hairs is exactly the same. So you can just go to one of my old videos and see how I did them. But girl, 5 swoops, 1 in the middle, 2 at my temple, and 2 by my ears. And that was pretty much it. Tell me that wasn't the easiest wig install. Look at how our girl looks, and baby, she's synthetic. Seriously, and I'm claiming it, probably my favorite unit of the year thus far, I kid you not. But now we're gonna get into the versatility of this wig. I want to show you guys the different styles that I was able to create. Oh my god, look at her, y'all. She is beautiful. Light shedding, yes. Tangling, no, but that shedding was very irritating. I'll say that much. But other than that, 10 out of 10. Look at our girl in the middle part. Real freaking cute. She got length, she got body. Switch, and now we got us a ponytail, a nice slick back ponytail, and she was real cute. But then guess what? Your girl went ahead and got spicy. We did a half up, half down with 2 strands, and that was giving 2. But then I was just like, let's spice it up some more. We did the claw clip hairstyle from TikTok. Girl, probably my second favorite hairstyle with this unit for sure, but my number one, you guys already know if you've been watching me, I love me a nice toss over, and look at her, killed it. Oh, I love a toss over. She is so cute, but seriously, this unit, girl, 10 out of 10. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl will be posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.